Hello everyone. Today we will learn about rivnut installation and how to handle high-strength pin rivets.
What is rivnut? Rivnut is often installed as threaded fastener in a piece of thin sheet metal. To install rivnut, need to make a hole of the correct size and drill it. Then screw rivnut into the installation tool and insert in the hole. Squeezes the rivnut tight enough. Rivnut before installation and rivnut after it has been offset.
Next, I will introduce about high-strength pin rivet.
High-strength pin rivets. This fastener may be installed rapidly and has a same shear strength as an equivalent size structural steel bolt. 3 ways to handle high-strength pin rivet. First, installation. Second, manual removal. And the last, drill removal.